Hello guys, welcome once again. In the previous video I have shown you that how can you actually install JDK in your computer system. So in this video I am going to show you how can you configure Eclipse on your system and how can you run that on your system. So first of all you need to download Eclipse from Eclipse website. So you'll just go to Google and you will write Eclipse and it will directly take you to the website. The first link will be the Eclipse downloads, so it will take you directly to the website of the Eclipse, that is the official website, and you can download Eclipse from that website. So it is taking a little time to open that link. So when this link will open up, you will see something like this. So right there you will go to the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So you need that. So you need to download it for your system. If your system is 64-bit, then you will download this one. You will click on this link. If your system is 32-bit, then you will click on this link. So how can you know that your system is 32-bit or 64-bit? So for that purpose, you can check from here. You go to the control panel and you have to search here for system and you need to click on system. So this kind of window will open up and here you can see that my system is basically 64-bit. So I need to download Eclipse IDE for Java developers and 64-bit. Okay, so I click on 64-bit. So now it will start downloading. It will open up a link for me. So now this kind of window will open up. So you need to click on download. So when you will click on download, Eclipse will automatically start downloading via your browser, or if you are using IDM, then it will start downloading via your IDM. So it will send you a message like this, that thank you for downloading Eclipse. So this kind of page will appear. So it will ask you for donation, but you are not, if you don't want to give donation, then don't. So it will automatically start downloading right here. So it will ask you to save your Eclipse somewhere. So I'll press OK and you will see it will start downloading. So I'll get back to you when it will download. So when my Eclipse will be downloaded, so it is in the zip mode. So what you will do, you will just extract this Eclipse and you will write extract here. If you will extract here, it will extract and make the folder Eclipse in the same folder or same directory. So you have to wait until and unless it is done. So when it will done, you will go to the Eclipse folder that has been made. So when you will go in, you will see that Eclipse, this thing. So now you need to run this application, this Eclipse. So when you will click on that, this Eclipse will start up and it will start opening and it will start installing its basic libraries. So now you get something like this, that where you want to save your workspace. Workspace is basically the folder where your Java projects will be saved. So I don't need to change that, or I don't want to change that, but if you do want to change, then you can change. Okay, so I'll just press OK. So now it will start loading the Eclipse and it will open up in a while. So I have to wait. It will keep loading. So now this kind of window will open up. So you let me make it a bit bigger so you can see, welcome to the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So this is your basically Eclipse IDE, and so now I am going to show you how can you make a new project. So you will go to the file and you will go to the new, and here Java project, you will select that. Okay, so once again let me show you. You'll click on file, you will go to the new, then you will choose this Java project. Okay, so click on that. So project name, so basically there is a convention in Java that you give your project name like in camel case. If you are familiar with the camel case, then the camel case is basically that every word has to write, you have to write every word's first letter in the capital mode. Okay, so like I write here, my first program. Okay, so that is my basically project name is my first program, but you can see that I have written M in capital, F in capital, and P in capital. That is basically one word program, and its first letter is capital, first is the one word, and its F is capital, my is the word, and M is capital. So this is called camel case convention, and you have to give the project name in this convention. This is basically a convention. If you let's say that if I give a small letter, then nothing will happen, it will create the project, but it is basically a convention to give a name like this. Okay, so now I will click next. So when I will click next, it will take me to the source. So to the source. Okay, just finish this. Now I'm going to show you that how can you make a class and how can you start working in your project. So this is basically my first program is my project name, and when you will go inside this, you can create classes and you can work in classes in Java. So how can you make a class in Eclipse? I'm going to show you. So you will select this source src, opening your project whatever you have created. So you will click on the source and select it and then right click. So then you will see that when you will hover over new, a lot of options will open up. So you have to select class from here. So once again you have to click on source, then you will go to new, and then you will open this class up. So now you need to name your class up. So how can you create a class? You have to name it. A naming convention of classes in Java has been defined. So what you do into the class name, you have to write the first letter of the first word smaller, and the rest of the words will have first capital letter. Okay, so like here you can see that my word has M smaller because this is the first word. So after that you can see the class has its C capital as it's the second word, and the rest of the words, if you have, they will also have a capital letter. Okay, so hope you have got the concept. This is basically just a convention. So if you don't do that, your program is absolutely going to work fine. So you don't need to worry about that, but basically programmers have some conventions, so you have to, it's better to follow them. Okay, so now as if you want your class to be main, then you will select this, or you can write this manually later, but I will select this and finish. So you will see a class will automatically created, and under this source, under your project, you can create as many classes as you want and you can do your work. So I will also tell you about writing my Java programs in my next video. So that's it for today. In today's video you have learned how to download Eclipse and how to configure Eclipse, and then you have seen that how can you create project and a class as well. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.